Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw paid work money from PayPal instantly, live proof. Now, if you have earned from task games or surveys on paid work, here's exactly how to cash out fast and safely on your phone. Step number 1, make sure you are logged in and your earnings have updated. You need at least $10 to withdraw. And next, tap the wallet icon at the bottom of the app. Once you have earned $10, tap the wallet icon in the bottom of the app. Here you'll see your total balance and recent earnings. Tap withdraw funds, select PayPal. If it's your first time, enter the same email linked to your PayPal account. Enter how much you want to withdraw. Start with minimum 10 or higher. Tap confirm and Paidwork will process the payout instantly or within few minutes. Open your PayPal app or email. You should see a payment notification from Paidwork. It usually appears within minutes. Pro tip: withdraw during weekends, weekdays and daytime hours for fastest processing. Some payments can delay slightly on weekends. Safety tip: only use your own PayPal account. Shared or mismatched emails can cause payment failures. Quick fix: if the money does not arrive, recheck your PayPal email spelling in Paidwork. Wait up to 24 hours for the first time payouts. Contact Paidwork support with a screenshot of your transaction ID, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.